What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? Do watch a tutorial video and in today's video I will be showing you guys how you guys can register for Capital One bank account. Now before I show you the way, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel App Tutorial, and let's move forward now, shall we? So the first step, you want to search for Capital One Register and click on the first link over here. After you do that, it's going to take you to this page. Over here, you need to fill up this form. First enter your last name and then enter your social security number or your TIN, and then enter your date of birth over here. And after you enter your date of birth, click on get started, and then it's going to ask you for some more information. And after providing all the information, it asks you an account under the information which you just provided will be created. So that's how you guys can register for Capital One's online banking account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye bye until then everybody.